Chapter 6. Our Body. Learning Objectives. Organ System, Muscular System, Respiratory System, Nervous System, Reproductive System, Sense Organs, Digestive System, Circulatory System, Excretory System, Skeletal System. We have seen many machines and their parts. All machines are made up of different parts that have different functions, but all the parts work together to run the machine. Our body is also a machine made of cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. It can do such works that an ordinary machine cannot do. Organ systems. Human body is made up of cells. The smallest structure of our body is a cell. They are of different kinds. They are different in shapes, size, and functions. Cells combine to form a tissue which performs one function. These tissues join together to form an organ. A group of organs together performing a single task in a human body form an organ system. Different organ systems work together to help us perform our daily activities. There are various organ systems in our body such as the digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, and skeletal system. Sense organs. Sense organs help us to know about our surroundings. We have five sense organs which have distinct functions. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. The eyes help us to see, the ears help us to hear, the nose helps us to smell, the tongue helps us to taste, and the skin helps us to feel. These sense organs send messages to the brain. Brain in turn helps us to perceive things around us. Tens are the sense organs: T. Tongue, E. Eyes, N. Nose, S. Skin, E. Ears. Skeletal system. The skeletal system of our body is a framework of bones that gives shape and support to our body. It protects the delicate organs inside our body. The skull protects our brain, and the rib cage protects our heart and lungs. The spine or backbone holds up our neck and head. There are 206 bones in our body. Our bones are connected at joints. These joints allows us to twist or bend our body parts. There are joints in our elbows and knees that help us to work with our hands and legs. Muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles. These muscles are like elastic threads connected to our bones. The main function of the muscular system is to help in the movement of the body. Contraction and relaxation of the muscles make the bones move. As a result, we can walk, play, jump, eat, dance, and do other work. Some muscles move on their own. We cannot control them. For example, the muscles of our heart keep on beating all the time. We have no control over them, but the muscles responsible for the movement of hands and legs can be controlled by us. Digestive system. Digestive system consists of mouth, food, pipe, stomach, intestines and anus. It deals with the digestion of food. Digestion is the process of breaking down of food into simpler forms so that our body can absorb the essential nutrients. Digestion begins in the mouth when we chew the food. It gets mixed with the saliva and becomes moist and soft. It is then pushed into the stomach through food pipe. Stomach is a bag-like muscular organ. The food remains for 3 to 4 hours in the stomach and then goes into the small intestine. The digested food is absorbed by the blood, hair and transported to the other parts of the body. Undigested food moves into the large intestine and then it is thrown out of the body through the anus. Did you know saliva is a digestive juice found in the mouth? It makes the food soft and moist. The process of digestion needs oxygen to break down the food into simpler form. Respiratory system. The respiratory system is responsible for breathing. Respiration is the process of breathing in and breathing out of air, which is very important for all living things to survive. Respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. We breathe in oxygen and through the nose. Here the air gets filtered by the tiny hair present in the nose. Then it goes to the lungs through windpipe. The lungs are cone-shaped spongy bags that expand and contract when we breathe in and breathe out respectively. The oxygen that we breathe in is taken to all the parts of our body by the blood. It also helps in the digestion of the food. Breathing habits. We should always breathe through our nose because the air gets filtered by the tiny hair present inside the nostrils. We should avoid breathing through our mouth. Particles and germs present in the air may enter our body. This can be harmful. We should not cover our face while sleeping. Circulatory system. Circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood and blood vessels. The main organ of the circulatory system is the heart. Circulatory system is responsible for transportation of oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of the body and carry away the waste materials from different parts of the body. The heart squeezes and relaxes continuously to pump blood through the blood vessels. This pumping action of the heart is called heartbeat. Due to the heartbeat, the blood flows. The blood vessels carry oxygen rich blood to all the parts of the body from the heart. The blood vessels also bring the blood containing carbon dioxide back to the heart. This process continues throughout the life of a living body. Did you know your heart pumps about 2000 gallons of blood every day? Nervous system. The main organs of the nervous system are the brain, spinal cord and nerves. It controls all the other systems of our body. The brain is the main organ of the nervous system. It is protected by the skull. It is connected to every part of our body through the nerves. It is responsible for sending and receiving messages to and from all parts of our body. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerves which runs down the spine. Spinal cord controls the reflexes of the body parts below the neck. It is responsible for conducting messages from the skin to the brain through nerves and vice versa. The brain gives commands to the organs to react based on those messages. This action is called reflex action. For example, when you touch a hot object, immediately you draw away your hand. This is because of the command your brain gives to your hand. Excretory system. The excretory system consists of kidneys, uterus, urinary bladder, and urethra. The excretory system works to clean the blood and eliminate the waste products from our body. Kidneys are the main organs of this system. They are bean shaped and located on each side of the waist or the lower abdomen. They filter the blood and help our body to get rid of the waste in the form of urine. The urine is carried by tubes called ureters to the urinary bladder. When the bladder is full, it is passed out as urine through the urethra. Although lungs and skin are not parts of the excretory system, yet these organs help in removing body waste. The lungs throw out carbon dioxide and the skin helps by removing waste as sweat. Reproductive system. Reproductive system helps human beings to produce young ones. Life on the earth continues because of this system. All living beings reproduce their young ones. This is called reproduction. Key words: saliva, a digestive juice present in the mouth. It makes the food soft and moist. Respiration, the process of breathing in and breathing out the air. Eliminate, throw away or excrete. Chapter Roundup. Body is made up of cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. Organ systems help in the functioning of the body. We have five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. The skeleton supports and gives shape to our body. Muscles are connected to the bones and are responsible for the movement of our body. The digestive system helps in digestion of food. Lungs are a part of the respiratory system that expand and contract while breathing. Kidneys are the main organ of the excretory system. They filter the blood and help our body to get rid of the waste. The brain sends and receives the message to and from all parts of our body. Reproductive system helps human beings to produce young ones of their own kind to continue life on the earth.